Ever wondered what the most terrifying dinosaur was? Many people think of the T-Rex with its massive jaws and bone-crushing bite. But what if I told you there was a dinosaur that made the T-Rex look almost tame? A dinosaur armed with not dozens, but hundreds of teeth. Get ready to meet the Nigersaurus, a creature so bizarre it almost seems like it's from a science fiction movie. Now, when you picture a dinosaur with 500 teeth, you probably imagine a gigantic, fearsome predator, right? A monster that could shred anything in its path. Well, the truth about Nigersaurus is even stranger. First off, it wasn't a giant. It was about the size of a modern elephant, around 30 feet long, which is relatively small for a sauropod. That's the group of long-necked dinosaurs like Brachiosaurus. It lived about 110 million years ago in what is now the Sahara Desert, which back then was a lush, swampy floodplain. But the most incredible thing about Nigersaurus was its mouth. Paleontologists who discovered its skull were completely baffled. Its mouth was shaped like a wide, straight shovel, or a vacuum cleaner nozzle, and it was packed with teeth. And not just one row of teeth. Nigersaurus had over 500 teeth in total, arranged in multiple columns. Imagine a pair of scissors, but instead of 2 blades, you have 50 sharp blades on each side. Here's where it gets even weirder. All these teeth were tiny and needle-like. They weren't designed for tearing flesh or crushing bone. So what was this dinosaur doing with a mouth full of 500 razor-sharp yet delicate teeth? Well, Nigersaurus was a plant eater and herbivore. It used its unique mouth to graze on low-lying vegetation like ferns and horsetails. It would move its head like a lawnmower, shearing off plants with incredible efficiency. Think about how you use a comb. The teeth of the comb pass through your hair, right? The Nigersaurus's teeth worked in a similar way, stripping leaves from plants as it swept its head across the ground. But having so many delicate teeth came with a problem. They wore down and broke very quickly. In fact, scientists believe that Nigersaurus replaced every single one of its teeth as often as every 14 days. That's a new set of teeth every 2 weeks. This makes it one of the fastest tooth-replacing animals ever known. It was a walking, breathing, tooth-making factory. The discovery of Nigersaurus really changed how we think about dinosaurs. It showed us just how diverse and specialized they could be. It wasn't just about being the biggest or the strongest. It was about finding a unique way to survive. The Nigersaurus found its niche as a highly efficient, low-browsing herbivore, a role no other dinosaur filled in quite the same way. Its strange appearance, from its wide mouth to its lightweight, hollow-boned skull, was a perfect adaptation for its lifestyle. It was often called the Mesozoic cow for its grazing habits, but I think that sells it a little short. This was no ordinary cow. This was a super specialized eating machine. So while the T-Rex might have the fame and the ferocious reputation, the Nigersaurus holds the title for one of the most bizarre and fascinating mouths in the entire animal kingdom. A 30-foot-long, 500-toothed, plant-eating vacuum cleaner that lived over 100 million years ago. Dinosaurs never cease to amaze, do they? What weird and wonderful creature should we explore next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey back in time, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories from our planet's past. See you next time